In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix full screen games minimizing to desktop randomly on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Now type regedit, hit enter, and you will be directed to the registry editor window, and we are going to navigate this path. Computer, HK current user, control panel, and desktop. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video for the registry path, okay? So once registry path, computer, HK current user, control panel, and then you have to look for desktop. Now on the right pane, you will look for this option, foreground lock timeout. Okay, foreground lock timeout, double click. For the value data, simply type 30D40. Okay, 30D40. 30D40, and then click on OK. And then you have to close the registry editor window and restart your Windows once. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. For the next method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon, click on gaming on the left pane, and make sure that game mode is turned off. Okay? Then click on system, click on display, and here you can find scale. Make sure this is 100%. Okay? Then close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Now here we have to simply scroll down to the W section, and that we need to look for Windows Error Reporting Service. Make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be disabled. Then you have to stop, apply, and then OK. Close this, restart your Windows once. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on run as administrator. Type this command, dism space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. The commands will also be posted in the description section. Hit enter. And you just need to wait for this process to be done. And once this is completed, you need to close this window and restart your Windows once. Then open CMD again. Click on Run as Administrator and type sfc space forward slash scannow. Hit enter. Also, the scan will begin and you just need to wait for this to be completed and restart your Windows once. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.